Mrs. Prema. I don't need to introduce her much. She's a well-known Kannada actress, both even in the Tamil and Telugu industry. She has won the Karnataka State Film Award and Filmfare Best Actress Award. She was part of the under-18 Karnataka State cricket team, but you can see the smile says it all. She has never let it bitter. Most important, support for him as such. She can in fact walk for Black Rats, Mr. India, even at this point of time. Cancer, that's fantastic creativity out there and showing बहुत हौसला से फाइट किया, सर्जरी के बाद भी रेडिएशन दिया, खुद डॉक्टरों ने रिजल्ट पता. It is truly daunting to face blood cancer at this age, but she is out there fighting it like a true mature and set up good. We underwent surgery in 2019.
First Sunday in June is celebrated as National Cancer Survivors Day. On this occasion, Manipal Hospital celebrated the success of cancer survivors. They organized a ramp walk for 16 cancer survivors of all age groups. They provided the survivors with an opportunity to share their stories and to give hope that cancer is curable. Renowned actress Prema Chengappa from Kannada, Tamil, Telugu film industry also graced the event. The event also had the presence of Manipal Comprehensive Cancer Team to share knowledge on the advancement of treatment methods and to impart knowledge on 10 types of cancer. They highlighted the advanced treatment methods including chemotherapy, immunotherapy, surgery, radiotherapy, hormonal therapy, etc. And they said they have helped treat patients of all age groups. The event commenced with a special ramp walk by cancer survivors along with their caretakers. The ramp walk began with the 3-year-old boy who was the youngest cancer survivor and ended with the oldest survivor, Mr. Nanjunda Swami, age 102. All cancer survivors wore a colored sash which represents specific kind of cancer and spoke about their journey to battle against cancer. The event was filled with the inspiring stories by cancer survivors from various professions such as athletes, engineers, school students, management professionals, housewives, entrepreneurs, and all-rounders who shared their struggles and how they survived cancer.
So it was a very sudden moment, and then everything was into a flashback that we all had been through with my family and me, and I could again analyze every part of the journey that I had been through at that moment. So seeing that, yes, I was into tears. So I was diagnosed with leukemia, a kind of blood cancer, and that was somewhere when I was doing my second year degree, BCom. So I think in 2014 I was diagnosed with that. So shocking part, it was later, but first time I had many signals of symptoms saying that I had gum bleeding, vomit, and then my body, there were many bruises. So I was told that if you don't get admitted now, you will start bleeding any moment from 2 days, and you are just left out with 3 days if you don't get treated immediately. So that was one shocking part, a doctor telling you that you have only 3 days, and within that time if you don't start your journey, then we are not sure what will happen. So that was shocking. I'm great. It's been long, 10-11 years now, and I'm back. I was back to my teaching. I was now into aviation, doing well, traveling cities. Perfectly fine, but yeah, here and there, yes, regular checkups has to be done, but if not, the journey is smooth. I don't think so it's the end of the life. I have been through with it. It is tough. It is a kind of trauma, I would not deny that. But then it's a journey. It's like a fever. You have it today, it'll be there for a couple of days and it will go. Just have faith in yourself, have your family support, you give support to your family, and most importantly, have faith in your doctor. Doctor is very transparent. If he says something, adhere to it and do it blindly. So you will come out of it.
It's an inspiration for us, and we have all the power. So be self-confidence. Don't lose the self-confidence. Be positive.